Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a car rental booking website with WordPress. So we are going to utilize on how we can create a rental website or a car rental website for free using WordPress. So we are going to use Wix, of course. So yeah, on the other tab, I'm just going to open wix.com or Wix Studio. So we are going to use that later on. So here on WordPress, you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar, you just have to type out WordPress and then log in or sign up for an account. Okay, so since we already logged into our account, the next thing that we can do now is to set up our website. So what we're going to do here is to add a new page for our website. So just click on the new option and click on the page option at the top. Okay, so we are going to use that page to connect it to our Wix account. Okay, so just click on the page option, and when you clicked on it, you'd be able to see this different options of what kind of page do you want to add. Okay, so we have here featured page, about, gallery, services, contact, call to action, events, menu, blog posts, store, and pages. So here I'm going to add a services page. So you'll be able to see here now a layout. So if you want to start with this one, so you just have to click on it, and then from there you can now start customizing this page. Okay, so let us start to customize this template. So here I'm just going to type out at the very top car rental. Okay, that's right. And then the next thing that we should do here, if we can utilize it to customize the colors and the background, so we can do that as well. Okay, so I think it's better if we are going to start from scratch. So I'm just going to leave this one for now. Okay, so yeah, I think we have to close it. So yeah, let me just go back to my homepage, and then here click on the new option once again and click on the page, and then make sure to select the blank page. Okay, so this one right here, just click on the blank page, and then you'll be able to see here now your blank page. So we are going to start from scratch. So here I'm just going to type out car rental once again, and then the next one is we are going to type out right here our sentence or description or the details, or you can also add a block. So I'm just going to add here now a color. So yeah, I think I'll be using this color background. So if you want to change the color of your text, so you can do that as well. Just click on the text option above the background. Okay, so I'm going to use the color gray. Okay, so the next thing that we should do here is we are going to add a cover page. Okay, so the purpose of the cover page is that it's going to attract our customers, okay, or the people that were going to visit our website. Okay, so just click on the plus option at the top left, and then here just go to the image section or select the cover section. So I don't want the image, so I'm just going to select the cover. So this one below the image. Okay, next thing that you should do here is to upload your own image, or you can also select media from pixels free photos. So here using the search bar, you just have to search for the relevant images that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to type right here car rental, and as you can see we have this different images. I'm just going to use this one. After that, just click on select. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now your cover image. So since this is a cover image, I want to change the size of this one. Okay, so after that you can add here now your title. So I'm just going to type it right here, rent now, and then if you would like to change the size, the color of the text, if you want to add background, so you just have to go at the right side to customize the text that you have added. Okay, next one is we are going to add a new block. Okay, so here let me just type out a code or a sentence, like for example, looking for an affordable ride, book now. Okay, so something like that. So you just have to type it right here, the things that you think that will attract your customers. Okay, next one is we are going to add here now the different services that we offer or the available cars that we offer. Okay, so here we can add a slideshow first. So you can upload here your images, or you can also use media from pixels. So yeah, I think I'm going to select this cars. Okay, so including this one. So you just have to select all of the cars that you want to include to your slideshow. After that, just click on next and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So as you can see, we have successfully added here now all of the images for our slideshow. So to try it, just click on the navigation arrow. Okay, so next one is we are going to add here now the available cars. So we are going to use text and media block for this one. Okay, so just go here to the blocks section and then select the media and text. And then we are going to upload here the image. Okay, so we are going to use media from pixels again. And then I'm just going to tab out right here cars and then just have to select the available images that you can use. But of course, you have to upload here the actual photos of your cars or vehicles. Okay, and then just click on select after that and just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so just click on select and then that image will be added here now. And then at the right side, we are going to add here the content later on. So let me just add a new media text block. Okay, and then let's use pixels photos once again. So just make sure that you have selected the correct photo of your vehicle. Then after that, just click on select. So I'm going to add here now the last image. So for this video, I'm going to add 3 different cars. Okay, so here just click on the media and text once again and then select your media or upload media from your computer. And for our last image, I am going to use this one. Okay, so after that, just click on select. That's right, and then you just have to close it. And as you can see, we have successfully added here now the 3 different cars or vehicles that are available for rent. So now let's add here the different contents. Okay, so here for the content, it is very important to add the title or the name of the vehicle. And then here we also have added a few details about city drives, business trips, and small group outings. And of course, do not forget the features. And after the features, we should add here the price, of course. So for example, like 1,000 per 1,500 per day, and inclusive of the basic insurance. And then for our car number 2, we have the name of this vehicle, and then it's good for family trips and group excursions, and of course the features and the price. And for our last vehicle, we have this one. So we also include the title, the features, the price, and then here you just have to add the follow-up details or description why choose our car rental. So we have here the prime location, the well-maintained cars, the flexible options, affordable prices, and excellent customer service. Next is we are going to add here now our booking button. Okay, so to add your booking button right here, you just have to click on this block and then go here at the left side and then select the button. Okay, that's right. So when you clicked on it, you'll be able to see here now the button, and then you just have to type out the text. Okay, so I'm just going to type out book now. So you just have to add the buttons to the rest of your service or your vehicles. Okay, so for the second one, the same, just have to click on the button and then just type out book now. That's right. And then for the last image, we are going to click on the button once again and then type out right here, book now. Okay, that's right. And then the next thing that we should do here is to add now the link of our Wix account or the Wix Studio to the book now button. Okay, so here just click on the book now. You'll be able to see here the linked icon, so just click on it and then we are going to paste here the link of our Wix Studio. Okay, so here let's go to our Wix Studio or Wix.com, Then after signing up for an account or logging into your account, you just have to click on the create new site option. So this one at the top right. Then here we have studio template, or we have the use Wix editor option. So here when you click on the use Wix editor, so you'll be redirected to this page. So you just have to bring your ideas to life with AI. So here you can start a chat or set up without a chat. So I'm just going to set up without a chat right here. And then what type of website do you want to create? So here we have the car rental. Then after that, you just have to select the website. Okay, this one. And then just click on continue. That's right. Now that they're preparing your dashboard, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here, one of the very important things on Wix is we have to set up our payment methods. But before that, let us now start setting up our store. So we just have to give our store a name. So for example, car rental company, and then just click on continue after that. And then you already have an online store. So no, I'm not, I'm just starting out. And then what kind of products are you selling? So we have here services, and then just click on continue. Here, how are you offering your products? So here we are going to skip this part for now, and then you're all set. Head over to the dashboard and then finish setting up your site. And again, one of the very important things here on Wix is we have to set up our payment method. So to receive booking online or payment online, we have to set up it first. So just click on the setup payments option, and here you'll be able to see the available payments depending on your business location. So currently I am in the Philippines, so I only have this payment options. So if you're from other region or location, just click on this one, and then you just have to select your region. Okay, and then after setting up your payment options, of course, you have to upgrade to a plan in order for you to finish setting up your payment options. Now let's design our site. So just click on the design site option, and then how would you like to design your website? So I'm just going to pick a template for this one. That's right, and then here pick the website template that you need for your website. So here I'm going to view this one first, and then if you think this template is good and has all of the features that you need for your car rental company, so you just have to simply click on the edit this site option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so now we can start customizing this template. So let us start by changing the name. So for example, Toys Rental. Okay, and then here if you would like to change the subheading, so you can do that as well. And then if you would like to change the background, so just click on it and then change the image. But for now, let's go ahead and click on the pages and then click on the book online option, since we are going to manage the services and add here our own service. Okay, so here just click on this option and then just click on the manage services. That's right, and then on your dashboard, all you have to do here now is to create your own service. Okay, so first is we are going to use a template, or you can also start from scratch if you want to. So I'm going to use this 2 hours vehicle rental. Okay, and then we are going to customize this service. So here we have the service type and then the service details. So the name is this one, and if you would like to change the cover image, just click on the pencil icon and then just go to the background. That's right, and then right there you'll then just have to upload your own image. You just click on this plus icon, and then you just have to upload media from your computer or use media from Wix. I'm just going to use media from Wix for this one, and I'm going to search for cars, and then just have to click on the image that you want to use. Okay, so after selecting your image, you just have to click on the choose files option. Okay, this one, and then change the opacity to 0 to display your image, and then just click on save after that. That's right. Now the next thing that we can do here is to set up your price, the duration, the buffer time, and the payment options. So for the duration, maybe about 2 hours or 3 hours, 24 hours. So it depends on the client needs. So here, you just have to choose how clients can pay for this service. Okay, so after finalizing these things, of course, do not forget the price. So just select your price type and then the amount. So after this one, just have to save it. Just click on the save option at the top right of your screen and then set up your locations as well. Okay, so now just click on the save option and then do not forget to publish your website. Okay, so here all you have to do now is to close this one and then publish your website, and you'd be able to see here now the service that you have created. Okay, so here once you are on this live page, just click on the share option at the top and then copy the link and then go back to WordPress. Okay, so remember the button that we have clicked earlier. So we are going to paste here now the link and then click on enter. Then after that, let us publish this website as well. So you just have to add all of those linked to the different buttons. So here when someone clicked on this one, so let's view our page. So when someone clicked on the book now option, they'd be redirected to our Wix website. Okay, so for example like this, so here they can now start the booking process. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.